Unleash the full potential of your diesel truck, semi, or equipment with Cerma Ceramic Engine Treatment. Our revolutionary STM-3R engine treatment is designed to clean, restore, lubricate, and protect your engine in one easy application. Simply add it to your engine oil and experience the difference. Cerma Engine Treatment is specially formulated to protect new engines and revive old ones, restoring engine and transmission performance. With increased horsepower, torque, and compression, you can expect improved fuel economy ranging from 4.2% to 21% as tested. Plus, reduce emission gases by an impressive 92% and eliminate carbon deposits and hydrogen embrittlement damage. Say goodbye to engine vibration, noise, and cold start problems with Cerma STM-3. Our product is 100% organic and fully insured, backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. With over 12 years of real data to support our claims, Cerma Engine Treatment is the real deal. Unlike traditional engine oil additives, Cerma penetrates your engine's internal metal parts to eliminate destructive harmonics, noise, and vibration. The Advanced Lubrication Protection provided by Cerma STM-3 optimizes performance, reduces friction and wear. By creating a silicon carbide matrix within the metal surface, Cerma ensures durability, smoothness, and high heat resistance. Seal the steel with Cerma STM-3R and experience the benefits of a ceramic engine treatment without the high cost. Achieve the same results as professional race engine builders and aerospace engineers with Cerma Engine Treatment. Optimize your engine or transmission's performance today with Cerma STM-3.